Welcome back, traders. MACD Master here. We are Monday, October 27th, roughly 7 p.m. here on the West Coast. And did you see my last video? No, only one view, and that was me. But interesting enough, I got another view on this. We're up to 4. One of them was mine, but yeah, I got another one. And I'm not sure if you caught that one, but don't worry. I've got it all lined up here. And did you exit? Because I have a feeling that was it. It's all south pole from here on in. So if you didn't see the video, we got it lined up here already. You can see right there, trading view MACD master, 4-hour divergence, bounce it, bounce, exit. Let's get into it. The shit's going to hit the fan over there at TradingView because I've taken screenshots of some of the bullshit these people have said, not about me, but telling people to go in and buy at these ridiculous prices when I'm telling them, no, prices. Anyways, if you're one of those people, listen up here, you're going to have a chance to exit the bus here at this point real soon, and because you may be in a loss because you've listened to them. Long story short, what I'm expecting here, you're looking at the 4-hour chart. There's again a MACD diversion taking place, and I believe it's at that point here now where it's about to let loose, and we're going to see it pop right back up to well, there's huge resistance up above here at that 118,000, but I'm thinking this is going to hit probably about 115, 116K, and I think that's where she's going to have a hard time getting across there. Will I be right? Well, we're going to soon find out, because this is going to play out real soon, because when I change the time frame and put it on the 1 hour, the exact same thing is playing out here. And I'm going to back up to here, but you can see we hit a bottom there, which is this one here. And then we went here, we went a little bit lower, and then we went here, and yeah, so if things aren't working out, there's a diversion taking place even on the 1 hour. I believe this is going to be working out here. We're going to see this pop back up real soon, and it'd be perfect for the weekend, right? Drag them in. And plus, I got to share with you some. Okay, so yeah, I sure did nail that one. In fact, I even set my TradingView alarm, and that sucker went off on Sunday, October 26, 2025, at almost midnight. We hit that. Well, this price range is 116,073. It went a little bit higher, but candle length closed on a red. And oddly enough, someone in the TradingView chat mentioned something about post some sell walls. Well, there they are, bro. There's your sell wall right there. If you know how to read candlesticks, you would know that's a shooting star with a very long wick, closing red with a massive volume compared to what it's been traded in the previous last few sessions. That's it. They're waiting for you. Boom, 116. Boom. They sold their shit. Anyways, yeah. So I kind of suffered from a little bit of FOMO on Friday. On Friday before the close, I jumped in and I bought some more SBIT, but good thing I was only using the single barrel, because today I happened to be around here. Today, what time was this? This was Monday, October 27th at 11:40 a.m. Hadn't gone yet to meet the manager on this one. But anyway, so I was kicking around here and I was waiting for an opportunity. I didn't catch this one, but boy, here, boom, boom, bought, filled. Yes, there's the date. Don't let these bullshitters lie on TradingView. I am so prepared now. I'm taking screenshots of all my shit. So they say that he never showed it at the top. You will know that I've got the paperwork and I'm not full of shit. I'm so tired of these bullshitters. Oh, speaking of bullshitters, I've got this purposely set up here on a 5-minute chart. Look at that massive volume. Is that not just a little suspicious within 5 minutes? Anyways, here we go on TradingView. Screenshot it last night. Exactly the same chart. Fits exactly on the 5-minute. And what's he saying out there? We go all the way up. Then we stay there. Then we stay there. Oh boy. Yeah, so we did go all the way up, but as you already know, probably, we did not stay there. But listen, it doesn't stop. So as it's selling off, right? And these, by the way, were I think these were hourly candles. He comes back out. This is just unbelievable. He says, hey guys, this is a secret, so don't tell anyone, but start buying 112K. Oh, it was like, really? But he's not alone. He's not alone. Listen, the bullshit, they're all full of bullshit. Mr. Godly here, another MACD hater, whatever. I'm going to rub it in his face. I'm going to rub it in all their face. I'll trade live. I'll even tell him before these big turnarounds and shit. I'll post it just to show how accurate the MACD is. Anyways, what's he saying? Listen to this shit. 200,000, 265K in 2029, 2030. Yeah, well, he's got to make those long forecasts, you know, because he knows about that 365-day cycle. He's not telling anyone. Anyways, I went back out here today. Boom, boom, pull the trigger, got SBIT twice. I'm loaded up. What do we expect here next? Let's go here on a daily, guys, and see what's happening. I mean, look at that beautiful shooting star. Isn't that a beauty? Oh, these are daily candles. Beautiful, beautiful. So here, we're at that threshold here where if it can't hold this yellow upward trend, so this is the bottom of every low, every time it's sold off hard. I went and grabbed them from, I think it was 2021, and dragged them out across. And the red one on the top is from all the highs going from 2017 forward. Drag them across, and look how it matches right up perfectly with the all-time high of 127K. Anyways, long story short, what do I expect now? Well, you know how it is. When you got massive volume, you got a shooting star on a trend that had already started. You have to remember, I was shorting way up here, okay? And I got the paperwork. If this is your first time seeing this, you can go look on my main channel. I got the paperwork. I've got the receipts. I had to go, you know, I can't believe I had to resort to taking screenshots of my trading activity, but yeah, I did. I've taken it, and it's public now. I show it at the top. I went in Trading View trying to warn everyone, and I was hated on, you know. Somebody says, well, what happened to him? And I can't remember exactly what the person said, but basically I had been banned, and he said something along the lines like, yeah, well, he was mean. Well, you know what? You have to turn mean when people start saying shit about your mother, and the stuff that they said about me was enough to piss anybody off. I mean, one lady actually came in and defended me here during this ban and said, you guys bullied him. And you know what, lady? If you're listening right now, it's really not the bullying. I don't give a shit about that. I'm a big tough guy, okay? I bounced in bars for a few years as a teen. That's not what worries me. Me, it's the fact that they actually lied about what I've done. And even when I posted the evidence, what I'd done, they still continued lying. That's what really ticked me off. And then the line in the sand really is when they went after my mother and started saying shit about my mom. I'm like, yeah, you know what? You guys are going to eat a lot of shit here, because I am a professional trader. I have been doing it for a long time. I taught myself how to read charts, and I'll show you kids how we're going to just make money as this thing drops, okay? Well, they're all telling you it's going higher to the moon. They're all full of shit. They haven't even predicted this call, and that's exactly, I don't know if you realize that, but that's exactly where I made the video. Boom, she's out, done, 116. Okay, so what else do we have here? We have on Wednesday, coming up on Wednesday, the Fed rates at 11 a.m. I'll be honest with you, they all think that these Fed rates are going to save their rally, but between you and I, it's all over. I'm not saying if, let's say, the Fed rates, everything is positive and they got the rates and all that stuff or whatever, free money, yay. Long story short, if there is a bounce, I don't believe it's going anywhere. I'll get into that in the next video. You know, this is why I believe this next sell-off, it may last longer than 365, or the sell-off is going to be really, really hard. Unbelievable big red candles. People are going to be shocked. Anyways, that's for the next video. Keep an eye on the rates. If there's a turnaround and you're already shorting this, maybe you want to get out and wait for another entry. I'll leave that up to you. But I'm just telling you that I did add SBIT on previous Friday's closing, and I added again here on Monday. Okay, so take care. Have a great day.